Today, we're diving into a great solution for all you graphic designers and photo editors on a budget. If you're on the hunt for a free alternative to Adobe Photoshop, you've clicked on the right video. GIMP, short for GNU Image Manipulation Program, has been a major player in the digital art sphere for years. And the best part? It's totally free. Here's why GIMP might just be the game changer you need. Cost-effective. Completely free of charge, GIMP stands out from Photoshop with no subscriptions or hidden fees. It's open source and available to everyone. Customizability. GIMP offers immense flexibility. You can modify the interface to mirror Photoshop and expand its functionality with numerous plugins and extensions. Feature-rich. Loaded with professional tools like layers, masks, and advanced filters, GIMP facilitates high-quality photo manipulation and graphic design, covering all the basics you would expect from a premium program. Cross-platform compatibility. Whether you're on Windows, macOS, or Linux, GIMP works seamlessly across all major operating systems. Community supported. The strength of open-source software lies in its community. GIMP benefits from a vast network of developers and users who continuously enhance its features and offer extensive tutorials and support. Though GIMP does come with a learning curve and might not include every high-end tool that Photoshop does, its comprehensive suite of features makes it a potent option for most graphic design and photo editing tasks. So, is GIMP a worthy Photoshop alternative? For many of you, it definitely could be. Whether you're working on simple projects or more complex designs, GIMP can help you achieve your creative goals without the hefty price tag. Enjoyed the video or learned something new? Hit the like button, share it, and subscribe.